In this video, I'll show you how to disable Bogus Gateway in Shopify. As you can see right here, I'm currently in my development store checkout page, and if I scroll a bit down under the payments section, there's going to be a Bogus Gateway option with an orange logo. This gateway is only meant for payment testing purposes and not for live sales, so let's go ahead and disable it. At first, log into your Shopify admin account, then the bottom left corner, click on Settings, and then look for Payments right here. Once the payment page loads, at the very top, look for Bogus Gateway, then select Manage. On this page, at the very bottom, click on Deactivate, and then confirm the change. Now wait a few minutes for the changes to update, then go back to your checkout page and try refreshing it. Okay, let's take a look, and as you can see, under the Payments section, the Bogus Gateway option is not available. And once you're done, you can register for Shopify payments or connect your preferred payment provider. So for now, that's all for this video. I hope you found it useful. For more Shopify tutorials, please comment my channel. Thank you.